Hi guys, how was your day been? So this is another style again. Make sure you arrange your step very well, make it neat. Then you start from the back. Yeah. So it's because I want to show you how I do it. If not, so I will have arranged it. I will have used my leg to arrange it. So guys, just continue watching. I will always bring the latest for you. Now you cross it, cross it, cross it. Now start another plinting again, another step again. Now, make sure when you want to do your own, you use the this thing that is strong. This one is somehow soft. So it's because the person that I want to do it for is that's what she bring, that's what she want to use. So if you have the one that is normally stand, you will get the normal shape of this thing. If you will get the good step, the good outcome of it when you use the hard one. You get it? So, alright guys, then you tie it from the back. I just tie it little because of the head wrap. So because of the ofi, then you tie that place. Use your pin to pin that place down. You see. So I'm just trying to arrange it very well. Hi. See how beautiful the woman is. Looking beautiful. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.